Hey guys, welcome back to Styling with One Product Part 2. If you're new here, hey, on this channel I go by Naturally Nappy. And if you're old here, hey y'all, hey, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. So in my previous video, and if you haven't seen it, I'll leave it up in the cards. The video ran a little too long, so I had to cut this in two. I'll first start by taking my hair out of the hair bows that I originally put in my hair to stretch my twists out more than they were, because the moisture in my hair and the water and my hair being wet in general caused my twist to shrivel up. And next, I'll take out my black rubber bands and my little hair jewelry that I'll be adding to my braids and my hair. I will start by using this crocheting needle. It actually was a perfect use for adding the beads to my hair. I will then take the black rubber band and I will tie my hair up onto the bead so that the bead will not fall off. After doing so, I will add some of the extra hair jewelry that'll give it a little bling above the bead so that it'll add more style. And now I'll be using some bobby pins to pin my hair back into a style so that my hair won't be on my face and it'll still be stylish. And now for the fun part. I'll use those same beads to add to my twist throughout my hair and make it super cute and fun. Thank you all for sticking around for my part 2 of how I style my hair using just one product. But don't forget to tune in for my next video, is where I'll use this same hairstyle and style it in multiple ways to last this hairstyle 2 weeks.